for that day. Good morning, y'all. So we're on the way to have breakfast. As y'all saw, we had a late night, so we slept in. And today it's kind of like a free day again, but there's some activities planned for the afternoon. So after we eat, we're gonna go to the pool, and then we'll meet up with our group on the beach. So stay tuned.
Her massage, yes, she is contemplating about getting her timeshare to get this massage that she really, really wants.
So basically, to be clear, y'all know I did a timeshare presentation in Vegas. We don't want to buy a timeshare, but Juan and my friend here, her roommate Heather did it, and you can get a free 1-hour massage for both of us if we go and sit through a time presentation. We don't have nothing else to do, but we were finna go chill by the pool. I don't know. I just don't want to get tricked. I'm scared. Shanita got snatched last time.
Well, you're not getting snatched this time because she went off the resort. You're on the resort. Yeah. You're next door, so that's the difference.
As long as you don't give them any of your personal information, we should be good. So
I won't.
Your credit card or your driver license.
And they ain't gonna try to charge nothing to our room.
No, go for it. Get this hour massage, girl. Go ahead and get rubbed on now.
Okay, so stay tuned. Comment and tell me would you do it or not. Calm down. Okay. All right. So we did go back and try. LaShonda, if you're watching this. And Juan told us that the massages are booked for the day. So we're going to go do what we were going to do anyway. God.
We really didn't want to sit through that 1
We
hour
did not.
presentation anyway.
Okay, so we just got through swimming and drinking 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 and drinking. Oh, I've been drinking watermelon. It's drunken love. Yeah, that's how I feel. We finna get some sort of food from this buffet thingy over there, and go back and get some extra stuff for the activities we're doing later. So stay tuned. I am half-past tipsy, but we made it to the bar, so we're gonna eat half-past tipsy.
You need to go full fast.
I gotta go full fast? I don't know. Halfway, I'm half-past tipsy. So we're gonna get some food from this bar right here. And drink some water. Thank you for the water. What are we doing?
We were going to have the dance lessons.
Yes.
Bachata.
Bachata. Yay.
3 p.m. I'll see you around the corner.
See you later, Ricky. Adios, amigo. I feel better after eating. I'm still a little tipsy. We're going back to our room to get a change of clothes for the next set of activities. You ready? It's a video. Okay, Hugo. What are we doing, Neil?
This is your boy, Mr. Come On Somebody, once again, and we're getting ready to twerk in the sand.
Hey.
If you never twerked in the sand, it gets real, it goes down. Let me just give you a little preview.
A preview. Let me see the preview.
We're going to shake things up with a side-to-side jiggulation.
Jiggulation.
We're going to bounce it.
Hey, in 4K. In 4K, yes.
Twerk and sand.
Period. gathering together because we're gonna get together as one big group for dinner. This is our last night in Costa Mujeres, Cancun area. And we actually have 2 dinner reservations. So the first one is with the group at La Adelita. So we're just waiting for everyone to arrive so that we can sit down together. And then I have a second dinner reservation with my friends that I've been eating with every night at Sumtuori, which is the Japanese steakhouse, or a Japanese hibachi place. This has been the best vacation that I've had, and April really outdid herself this year.
I'm fine.
You are fine. You're not bothering me.
You coming next year?
This is really cool. Oh wow, that's pretty. Gracias, Ruben. Shot. So he just made us all have a shot. We're gonna do it. No? Okay. We're gonna do the shot, and I'm gonna do the tequila. Amigas. Yeah. Okay. Gracias.
Thank you.
That was good. No, not one more. Be throwing up.
But the sauce is good.